Joana here, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to day 12 of the Barre challenge, 200 reps a day. Today we're doing diagonal front raises, only one exercise, no pulses, that means 200 reps in total, but don't worry, we're doing 100 each leg. Let's go. So we'll be standing just next to the bar, legs together. Now extend a little diagonally one of the legs. From here, heel leads to the diagonal. We're just drawing diagonals, okay? Heel leads 45 degrees. Let's go. We're working for the inner thighs, so front raises. You can actually step your leg a little bit back, so it's going to be a little bit easier to follow the diagonal line. Heel leads, don't forget, 100 reps. Point your toes, heel leads, off we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm already dying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 5 more. Give me 5 more. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, we did 25. Now we're gonna switch the legs. Okay, switch the legs and give me 25 for the other leg. Don't forget, heel leads. Ready? And diagonal. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 25 more. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, switch legs again, no rest. And 6, 5 more, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 25. You should feel that in your inner thighs. Switching legs again. Ready? And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5 more. And 25. That means we already did 100. 100 more to go. Switching legs again. Heel leads and 25, switch legs, heel leads, don't forget, toes out, heel leads diagonally, and 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. One last time. Switching legs, 25 each leg, and we are done. And 25 more. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. 25 the other leg, and we are done. Heel leads. Off we go. Five more. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 200. That was it. Thank you so much for joining me in day 12. Enjoy your day. Leave me a comment, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow.